made in U.S. We have placed red flags on your account due to these charges. If you have not made the charge and would like to dispute them, please press 1 or else press 2 to allow them.
Thank you for your response. We would now like to transfer you to a poll taker for just a few more questions. Please stay on the line.
Thank you for holding the line. This is Mark William from the Fraud Security Department. How may I help you today?
Hi, Mark. I just got a message about there being some charges on my credit card.
Definitely, Ms. Lorrie, we just received a notification. There was 2 charges which is taken place.
Okay, well, I haven't charged anything on my credit card, so you can just stop the payment on them and cancel those cards.
Definitely, I will try to help you out in this case. For the verification purpose, madam, please verify me with your postal code.
My postal code? What does that have to do with anything? It's V9K1R4.
Thank you for the verification. And can you recall when was the last time you have used the card, madam?
Oh, since before Christmas.
Before Christmas. And after that, you haven't used the card, right?
Correct.
Because might be somebody have the access of your card. That's the reason they have made these charges. So can you go ahead and check? Do you have your card with you right now, or did you lost or misplaced it?
No, I have all my cards.
Okay. Since you have the card with you and you haven't lost the card, that means somebody fraudulently using your card information for making a purchase.
Well, that's not very nice. Why would they do that?
Transferring the funds out, we know that, madam.
Yeah, I don't know that either. That's just awful.
Yeah, that's definitely awful. So, for the verification purpose, madam, you have the card with you and you haven't lost. Please verify me with your first 4 numbers on the face of your card.
Well, which card is it?
Your CIBC Visa card.
My CIBC Visa card.
Yes.
Okay, and you want the first... Do you know what the first 4 numbers are?
Yes.
Okay, what are they?
Yeah, definitely. You can verify me from your end so I can tell you this is the right or wrong.
Well, how do I know that you're really from CIBC? This seems kind of fishy to me.
Yeah, definitely, madam. We also found out something very suspicious things which happens to your account, and that's the reason for the verification purpose we have to be asked you only the first 4 numbers, not whole card number, madam.
Okay, but why the first 4 numbers? Aren't they the same on every card? So how is that verifying anything if I give you the first 4 numbers? It's the same 4 numbers on my card as it is on my mother's card.
Yeah, you think so?
Yes, I know so. I have both cards right in front of me.
Okay. Please verify me with the first 4 numbers. So let me check.
You verify me the first 4 numbers.
It's a 4506. Can you check?
4506? No, that is not correct.
That is not correct?
That is not correct. That is not my card number.
Okay. Do you have a handy with the pen and paper with you so I can give it to your whole card number so you can match it out?
Sure. Hang on one sec. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Do you have the pen and paper?
I sure do.
Yes. You just roll it up and put it in your ass.
Oh my goodness. Well, that didn't last long enough, but it was fun.